Good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook fried chicken with spicy creme sauce. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, and then cream cheese, I think 2 tablespoons, and then a little ketchup, and then sriracha, and then the chicken I marinated or coated with crispy fry, and then garlic, chilies, onions, spring onions. Okay, to start. Okay. Okay, that's enough. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, done. Okay, so we're gonna sit aside first. We're gonna sit aside first. Keep the sauce. Okay, so butter. One of the ingredients also is the cream. So I got the cream. Cream, I mean. It's inside the refrigerator. That's why I forgot. Okay, the onion, and then the chilies and all of this. Okay, we're gonna add all the ingredients of the sauce. Cream sauce, because there's a chili, and then we're gonna add also a little sriracha, spicy chili sauce. Just a little soy sauce. So that, okay, little ketchup. Let's try to see if the spiciness. Yeah, there's a spiciness already because of the chilies, guys, and sriracha. And now, guys, we're gonna add the chicken. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, look at that one. It's so very yummy, guys. Okay, so that's our fried chicken with spicy cream sauce. Fried chicken with a spicy cream sauce It's done, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna taste the sauce. It's yummy. I just have a little bite of the heat. Oh Lord, it's super spicy. It's yummy. The chicken is very crunchy. So So guys, that's our fried chicken with spicy cream sauce is done. Super yummy. And then, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.